Hey, welcome to Command+Z. It's being broadcast to the whole world on the internet, so I'd like to say hi, Mom. And yeah, everyone's dads are watching, so give a huge shout out to dads in general, and we're going to start it off. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2. What once was mine has been replaced with the silver line. All them places in decline. And you used to be so fine. Once I had you, once I feared you. Now all my letters still start with dear you, dear you. And once was mine. Stewardess will open up that door. Oh, I do not know what for. 'Cause going home can be such a chore. Well, I can't help it. This place is well lit. And I'd send you my name if I could spell it. Remember when I did not have to say goodbye to my friends. Oh, our time is at an end. Guess I'll have to go and make amends. Well, don't you miss me? And don't you love me? I guess you ask the same questions of me. Thanks. This is my friend Kyle. I like him a lot. This is my brother Keith. I like him too. Thanks, Mom, for giving birth to us, and Kyle's mom too. Yeah, then we got this other song. It's also gonna be fun. There is a garden where you walk, where you swing your entangled locks. I cry when there's a moon too bright. You know when there's a sun at night. Sweeps over our night of hugs as we ignore the bites from bugs, while our friends do drugs. We go through my old favorite spots. You cut my hair, you miss a lot. I run away from my old thoughts. It helps when I sort through your knots. Whoa, I chop you off like it's no big deal. Pretend I don't know how I'm gonna feel. None of this is real. Lately I've been finding I sleep more and more each day. And someone like you could help me sleep a different way. But I'm gone from you, that's all there is to say. All there is to say, all there is to say is to say. But wishful thinking only brings worry and despair. When I look for you and see that you're nowhere, I forget about here. I remember sorting through your hair, through your hair, through your hair, the knots in your hair. The knots in your Oh my God, we only have 7 minutes and 54 seconds. Crap. No, we're all gonna die. Okay, next song. You guys started off. All right. Yeah, you remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. These guys are great. I like them. They're awesome. That we know, ropes and ties by the berries that we grow. Home that we know, cold frozen wires in a home all in a row. No, no. What do I know? So what can I know? What do I know? Can't call this home. Can't call this oh, cold frozen wires in our home all in a row. Old ropes and ties by the berries that we grow. No, and there's cold frozen wires in our home that we know. And there's old ropes and tires by the berries that we grow. little sparkly finish there. I love you, Kyle. Okay. Yeah, I guess, well, this is the end. The clock just said 4:20. This is our last song. You've all been great, and I want you to, that's Charles over there. He does sound. Jason's up there. He does sound. All the electronic media people that did this are really great, and everyone should blow them a kiss if they see them. This is the last song. It's called The Low B Flat, and I hope you guys have a good time. Keith? Anybody scary, and it grows on the top of your thumb. You can eat it at the back and just watch the track if you're feeling kinda numb. Oh, well, the tuba man say you can make a rainy day by playing the low B flat. Oh no, no. The kids in the cul-de-sac all agree the B flat is where it's at. Oh my, no, 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 no. Oh. One, two, 3, 4. Why don't you be a caterpillar? It's the best thing you could be. Why don't you be a caterpillar and you be good friends with me? Oh. I said soup dabba doo babba doo babba dabba doo babba check babba doo babba doo babba doo babba babba doo babba doo babba doo babba doo babba doo babba doo babba doo. Oh 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 oh. Thank you guys. Have a good time. Upset Kicks is next, and there's a bunch of great bands, and it's gonna be fun. Stick around. Thank you guys, electronic media.